Hi everyone, so I make this video because I really want to share with you the best way, the best strategy, the most people, the most influencers using it, but actually making it a secret. So what is making these people making it a secret? Is the fame. Sometimes you can say a lot of people having more followers, more engagement, more likes, and you wonder and you ask yourself a stupid question. You say, oh, how is these people having more followers and more engagement and more likes? Why not me? So for example, you can see this person having 28,000 followers. So I will scroll down. I will see. Okay, so how is this person getting all of these followers? So for example, me, this is my account. So I will show you how I can do that with a simple way. So this is my account. I will click for share my profile. I will copy link like that. Then I will get back to this platform. Let me see, scroll down. I will click for buy Instagram followers. Okay, so here I scroll. Let me see. So here we have three categories of followers. So when we have high quality, active followers, and exclusive. But let me choose. For example, I want 1,000 followers. I will click for buy now. That's really simple. Here, what is that? Okay, so here I will type my name, Alex. I will paste here my account link like that. Okay, ensure your card is enabled within your bank. Okay, I will check my bank. Let me see. So this is my bank. Okay, this is my card. I will click for unfreeze. Here we go. So my card it's working good now. I will get back. Then I will pass my email address here. Then I will click for continue. Okay, here we have Visa. Okay, I will click Visa. So here I will pay with my Visa like that. So I will click for refresh the page. As you can see, the payment has been completed. Return to the store. This is thank you page. Back to home. So right now what I'm gonna do, I will check my account. It was this one. So it was 221. I will refresh. Oh, as you can see, the followers coming so fast. Okay. 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 As you can say, so this is the strategy. The most people, the most influencers using it, but making it a secret for you.